Hello, today I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks that I use when I'm trying to solve the classic online word game called Wordle. Now I'm just assuming that you understand the basics of the rules. I'm just in this video I'm just going to give you some tips and tricks, but what I like to do is start off with these three words: alone, pitch and drums, and put those in the first three lines. Okay, so that's A-L-O-N-E, enter. Pitch, P-I-T-C-H, enter. And then drums, D-R-U-M-S, and then enter. And the great thing about these three words is they contain the 15 most popular letters in the English language. So they're 15 out of the 26 letters that are in the alphabet, and they obviously 15 out of 26 is 57%, but these letters are actually used 87.5 times in words. So it's actually really good to use these those three words, but because they contain all the popular letters in the English language. And also, no letters are repeated, and all 5 vowels have been used. You can see A, E, I, O, and U. And so, so once I've entered those three words, then I just need to check these words for green letters and yellow letters. And the green letters means that it's the right letter in the right place, and then the yellow ones is it's the correct letter but it's in the wrong place. And you can see there that I've actually got 5 letters that are coloured, so that's actually that's actually a good result out of those 3 words. So what I like to do then is to take those letters then and put them onto a pad and paper and just sort of try rearranging them to see what you come up with. So I've got A, L, P, S, and they've got to be rearranged, and then the last letter is E. So then I just try and put those letters in different sort of order to see if I can come up with a word, or a word that I'm familiar with. I don't think pulse is a word, but what about lapse? L-A-P-S-E, L-A-P-S-E. Okay, that's a possibility. So once I get a word there that's it's a good chance of being right, then I pick up my my Wordle screen, and then I'm going to type in lapse, L-A-P-S-E, lapse, and enter, and see how I go. And there we go. I've got all 5 green letters. That means that I've successfully solved Wordle after 4 guesses with the word of lapse. So there we go. That's actually quite pleased with myself there that I've solved it quite quickly. So there we go. That's some tips and tricks that I use to solve Wordle. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now, and good luck with your Wordle.